Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the best all-in-one CRM for small businesses. If you are looking for one platform to handle everything from capturing leads to following up and closing sales, the clear choice is GoHighLevel. By the end of this short video, you will see how everything works in one place. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. Let's start with funnels and websites. Many business owners pay for ClickFunnels to create landing pages and sales funnels. With GoHighLevel, you already have this built in. The editor is simple to use. You can drag and drop elements, use ready-made templates, and connect payments. You can build professional funnels and websites quickly without needing another tool. Now, let's move to scheduling. Usually, people use Calendly to book calls or meetings. GoHighLevel includes its own calendar system. Clients can choose an available time, book straight away, and get automatic reminders. You can connect your Google Calendar so everything stays updated. Next is marketing. Instead of using MailChimp, you can send emails and text messages directly from GoHighLevel. You can broadcast to your list, set up drip campaigns, and create automated workflows. This means every new lead is followed up with right away without you having to lift a finger. And finally, there is the CRM. This is where you track all your leads and customers. You can see each stage of your sales pipeline and move people forward as they progress. Every interaction is stored in one place so you always know what is happening with your business. So instead of paying for 4 different tools and switching between them, GoHighLevel combines them all. Funnels, scheduling, email and text marketing, and a complete CRM are available in one platform. One login, one dashboard, a much simpler way to run your business. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.